Okay, Merry Christmas, or Christmas Eve, fellow airsofters. I got another unboxing for you. I ordered 2 guns like 10 days ago. They're both here, and this one is the MB08 or L96 sniper rifle. It's spring powered. So let's crack this bad boy open, man. My cat's freaking out about this plastic stuff. Ripping it apart everywhere. He doesn't know where to go. Alright, let's see what we got. Top. Oh, wow, this is pretty cool. Alright, so we got basically just the whole gun, really. Instructions. Comes in 2 pieces. We got, let's see, the bottom, 2 parts. So here's the body of it. It's actually made out of a pretty nice plastic. I would say it's maybe close to the Glock type of polymer plastic frame. So to me this looks actually very nice. And then the clip just came out of it. Looks like some kind of like a Springer clip. But yeah, that goes there. Here's the body. Nice tan color. I ordered a black one actually, I just realized. But I mean, this is just as good. I guess they ran out of the black one, but that's fine with me. I still like this very much. Let me see if I can get this thing to fold back. It's like ice cold right here. Come on. Okay, well, it doesn't want to cooperate with me anyway, but I'll get to that. I got a pack of BBs, a huge jamming rod. Actually, I've never seen one this big before. That's what she said. Then you have this. It looks to be the no shit rifle scope right there. With I don't know what the hell this is. This is the This is for the scope too. It's like the little pieces that hold that scope on it. You get a little lanyard and there's a lot of stuff to this. Oh yeah, forgot it gives you a speed loader too, and bipod, and final piece. Oh wow, metal barrel. Man, this thing is pretty heavy actually. It's all metal. That's pretty nice actually. Here's the bolt assembly to it. It's righty. I've seen some lefty on there, like lefties before on YouTube. So I don't know. I guess they're all different. But yeah, that's that actually. Here's the box, styrofoam. Yeah, I am very satisfied. This is pretty sick. I'll put this on, I'll put this together, do more reviews. Also forgot to mention the cheek rest. Right here, it's adjustable. The shoulder right here, you can take these out I think to make it smaller. And you got the monopod. That's awesome. There we go. That's how it closes. It locks into place like so. Or close. You're just carrying it really. Alright, I'm gonna let these thaw because these are like maybe below 0 degrees right now. They're frozen completely. Everything's like basically iced over. There's all that stuff right there. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, everybody.